Lovelies, join me to prepare this super delicious rice. I brought this super coconut rice for you to make sure you give it a try when next you're cooking rice. Okay, let's get it started. In a pot, I'm going to add just 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil into the pot. I heat it up a bit. I added diced onion into it. Saute. After that, I'm just going to add prawns into this. If you'll be using prawns, do it this way. If you're not using prawns, just go ahead and add your beef or your chicken you'll be using into the oil and fry. Okay, so I'm just going to fry this prawns on each side for about 2 minutes, and I'm just going to flip it over and fry the other side as well. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my followers, returning subscribers, newcomers. You're also welcome. Thank you so much. Remember to love, share, and comment. Into it, I'm going to add this assorted meat. I have cow skin, I have beef, I have shaki, everything. I cut them into bite sizes. I added it into the prawns, and I'm going to fry them all together for about 5 minutes together. After that, I'll be adding just 2 tablespoonfuls of pepper mix. Okay, that pepper mix contains bell pepper, habanero pepper, and onions. I added it into it, and I'm going to add just 1 teaspoonful of chili flakes into it for the heat vibe. All right, I added 2 bay leaves into it. I added fresh thyme into it. Feel free to use dried one, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to stir them together now. I will share this video. For you not to miss it, remember to share it so that you can always have the recipe whenever you are ready to cook your next coconut rice. All right, so I fried them together, and I added seasoning now into it. I added salt, and I gave them a gentle mix together. This kitchen is filled with super aroma at this stage. Okay, lovelies, let's move on. That is my well-washed rice. I'll be using Basmati rice. I washed it several times until the water becomes clean, and I added it now into the mixture. I mixed them all together gently. I fried it for about 2 minutes together with the prawns and meat. I'll be using this canned coconut milk. You can use fresh one. Okay, it will give you the same result. And I added some water into it, give them a gentle mix together, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover it well. I'll be covering it with this, okay, because we need the steam to really stay in the pot. And after about 5 minutes, I open it, lovelies. This is what I have. I just mix them all together gently this way. Okay, at this stage, please remember to taste for salt. Yes, get a spoon, taste for salt, and then I'm going to cover it together for it to get fully done. All right, make sure you adjust salt or seasoning or pepper, okay? Then allow it to cook till done. That is so simple as ABC. Look at what we have here. The aroma is super and the taste is amazing. Honestly, this is so presentable and it is super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, like, and share. Bye-bye.